asking all those kids over there by that tree have all kinds of stuff. Only 2 kids over there, 3 kids.
Uh-huh.
Come here. How many did you get? Let me see.
Gianna!
Oh my goodness. Look, there's some way over there by that tree.
It broke! Let me get a picture with you and Shirley. There you go, come on. Oh my goodness, now!
Wow. Oh my goodness.
I find something in the pine cones!
You did?
Yeah, blue, look!
Ah, I see.
And look, see, it's okay to get somebody else's.
It is.
Yeah. Oh, there's more. Oh, look, there's more eggs.
Oh yeah, his fell out. Those are that little boy. You want to come over here?
Yeah. I'm gonna find more
There
eggs.
might be something in these rocks.
Yeah.
Nope. I think people got them all. You got a lot though, huh? I don't know. Let's go look and see what's inside them. Adeline, is that really fun?
Yeah, I got a lot of eggs.
How many? Let's go. You want to go count them?